my name is Matthew, and I'm a student at Charis Global School in the 3rd grade. My class is P3 Wright Brothers, and today I'm going to be showing how cool science is. But before I get into what I am gonna be doing, I have to keep myself safe by wearing my lab coat and a face shield. Tada! I already wore my safety lab coat, and I also have to wear this face shield to keep my hands and face safe. And anyways, I'm gonna be making rainbow milk. So now I'm gonna be showing you how to make rainbow milk. But the ingredients include soap, cotton buds, milk, and food coloring. I have blue food coloring, green food coloring, and red food coloring, and orange food coloring. And I also need a plate to pour the milk. Okay, let's get started. But first I have to pour in the milk. But don't pour in too much. Now I have to pour in the food coloring. I have to pour in the food coloring in different places, because if it all places in the same place, it will all mix together immediately. I'll start with the green one. Now time for the red one. And for the blue one. But no, we need to add a bit more green one. Now time for the blue one. And for the orange one. Alright. Now I need soap for this. I need a lot of soap for this, so I'm gonna soak in here.
Wow!
Oh, now it's rainbow. And it's turning rainbow. Wow. Oh, it's making a pattern. It's making a natural pattern. Do you know why the food coloring cannot mix with the milk?
Yeah.
Because milk has protein and fat, but the soap breaks the protein and the fat, so it becomes rainbow. And then the soap makes the food coloring run, but I don't know how that works. But all we need to know is that soap breaks protein and fat. And yeah, it's rainbow milk. It's cool, right? 10 out of 10. Okay, bye. Ouch! See you. Yeah. See you, bye. Okay! I hope this video tutorial helped you learn about protein, fat, and what's going on in milk. and why soap cannot mix with milk. I mean, food coloring cannot mix with milk. And I hope this video tutorial also helped you see why science is cool. And now I'm going to drink this milk. I have to pour it in. Oh yeah. Yep, should be enough. Okay, adios, bye. Bye. See you in the next video tutorial competition. Bye.